I've been spending 3 hours every week just putting together client reports, but today I've finally taught an AI agent to do the whole lot for me. Most chatbots just have a yarn with you, but this is the first platform I've come across that actually takes care of complex professional tasks by learning your specific documents and your exact style. Let's get stuck into this. This is Panify, and Panify is the AI agent platform that handles your professional tasks best because it doesn't rely on generic prompts and uses your own data. Now, compared to other chatbots out there, this one will actually learn your documents instead of just having a cracking guess and based on what you put in. You can upload PDFs, manuals, or knowledge bases all in one go to give your agent instant expertise in your field. And unlike other platforms out there, you don't need any coding or prompt engineering loops just to get what you want. So to get started with this, all we have to do is select New Agent, then fill out what we need. So we need a market report analyst. We can choose either Panify Air or Panify Pro. Air will be much quicker and more lightweight, while Pro will give you high performance and is better for complex tasks. And then for our training input, which is optional, we've said you're a senior market analyst who specializes in executive summaries for C-level execs and business decision makers. Your job's to analyze uploaded market reports and produce clear, structured and professional summaries. We've also uploaded our file down the bottom there, and then all we need to do is hit submit. Now, once your agent is trained, it remembers your context, style and goals for every future session, so you don't have to keep repeating yourself like you would with other platforms out there. This way, you're using fewer tokens and getting better results. Your agent actually gets smarter every time you use it as well, because it's learning from your interactions. So this basically builds a team of specialized experts for your workflow, and they're always learning from you, so you pretty much become a CEO who can easily train your staff that your staff are all AI agents. This is way cheaper than the alternative, where hiring a market report analyst could set you back hundreds of thousands of dollars. So let's actually use this agent here. What we've done is tag the document we already uploaded, and we've said, analyze this market report and generate a professional executive summary following the trained framework. And straight away it starts thinking and reading through the document at end. It's given us a confirmation, so we're going to confirm that execution with the plan it's already set out. And then you can see all the tasks working step by step to carry out what we want here. And down the bottom, this is where we've got our executive summary. So we can open it up directly in the platform and have a read, and you can see here, everything looks spot on. The writing's spot on, and we can see it's actually gone through every single part of our document and summed it up nicely for our executive C-suite. Now, if we want to find that again, we can actually just head over to the history on the right here and click on that, and we'll find that exact task. We can also switch on sharing, and we can even list it on the marketplace. Now, if we want to check out our usage, we can just go to the credit details section, and it'll show us all the credits we've used. Now, a lot of other platforms won't do this, but here you can see exactly what you're getting and how many credits it's costing you. We can also see the pricing here is really fair. We've got the free package here, where you get 300 daily bonus points, 1 concurrent task, and 10 gigabytes of storage. And then for just $10 a month, you can actually get 15,000 monthly points, 500 daily bonus points, 2 concurrent tasks, and 50 gigabytes of storage, as well as access to Air in the Pro version. And then if you're more on the enterprise level and you're using this at scale, then for just $160 a month, you can get 200,000 monthly points, 2,000 daily bonus points, 10 concurrent tasks, and 1 terabyte of storage, as well as access to the Air and Pro features. Now, you heard me mention the marketplace here. So what exactly is the Panify Agent Marketplace? Here, you're not just limited to your own agents. You can access a community-built library of experts in the Panify Marketplace. Now, of course, you can publish your own agents for others to use, but you can also find an agent that suits you. So let's say you want to review a contract. There's a contract review agent right here. We can go ahead and click on that. We can enter the workspace, and then we instantly have access to this agent. From there, we could upload whatever contract we need and then get a review from this trained agent. Now, if you're a Plus user, you can actually earn a Plus month coupon for every agent you publish, up to 5 coupons in total. So, if you came to use this for free, all you got to do is make some agents, and if you're helping out the community, you'll actually score a bunch of tokens for that. I really like what they've done here because it really shows there's a massive scaling ecosystem that's only going to get bigger over time. So stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and start training your expert agent at panify.ai. If you sign up right now, you'll actually get 10,000 free credits, plus a 7-day Panify Plus trial. Also, for a very limited time, if you subscribe for 1 month or plus, you'll actually get 12 months free. That's easily their best deal here. And don't forget to follow panify.ai on X for the latest updates. I'll leave links down below in the description, but that's it from me. Have a fantastic day.